clouds keep hovering my head. I'm tired of the rainy day. I'm tired of the rainy day. Dark clouds keep hovering my head. Dark clouds keep hovering my head. I'm tired of the rainy days. When the sun coming out to shine on me, I'm being drowned inside by the pain people cause me. I'm not feeling the same. No, I'm not. I keep on having rainy days. When the sun coming out my way, dark clouds, dark clouds keep hovering my head. I'm tired of the rainy days. When is the sun gon' shine? I'm tired of the rainy days. Dark clouds keep hovering my head. Every time I take one step forward, I get knocked 3 steps right back. No, this life is not fair. No, it's not. So you gotta keep your problems in the air. Let them float away. No more rainy days. No more dark clouds hovering my head. I want the sunshine shining over me, so I can know that I can be stress free. No more rainy days, no more. I want the sun to come to me, shine my way, shine on me. Take my problems that I got inside deep in me. I want